When you have assembled all of the pieces, the first thing you do is screw these brackets onto the top plate. It's very important that you push very hard on these screws so that they seat and screw in to the top. Lay the legs out on the table like so, making sure that one back is facing upwards and that the top also has one back facing upwards. Then simply slide the leg onto the top like that, and then tighten up these two screws, these 4 screws, 2 screws on either side. So that's 1, that's 2, push the length up. Now let's do the same with the other leg. This is the top fitted, and as you can see, one back and one back meet up and the angle is correct. Make sure you don't over tighten these screws. We'll put in the center panel. Center panel is badged at the front here, and that is the front of the center panel. The center panel just simply slides directly into the center of the lectern like this, making sure it slides right up to the top like so. Fits snugly into there. Now we're going to fit the base. The base fits on like this, with the countersink slots facing towards you. So holding the bottom like this, just simply position the screws like so. Then using your screwdriver, just simply screw them in like this. So this is the completed lectern, ready to go.